Tiana Jenkins is joining us today to share another delicious recipe. And Dr. Jenkins, I don't know if you know this or not, but I'm feeling some breakfast for dinner today. So I think that you have a recipe that will be great for that.
I do. So, of course, you can have these amazing pancakes any time of the day and in any season, right? It's cold right now, a little chilly, but look, pancakes are good for any time, all right? So we're going to quickly go through a very, very, very simple tutorial on pancakes. Now, of course, you can use your box pancake mix. Absolutely okay if that's what you want to do. But today we're going to go through some pretty simple steps. What you're going to do, and here's the final product of your mix, okay? All this is a little bit of flour. So it's like 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now for pancakes, you can use all-purpose flour or you can use your gluten-free flour if that's what you need to use, or you can also use your almond flour. There are so many different flours that you can use for various baking and frying and things like that. But for pancakes, it's really good to either do all-purpose, gluten, or almond because you want that, that fluffy kind of pancake, or at least I do anyway, right?
Yeah, we love fluffy pancakes.
All-purpose flour. And then you're going to put a teaspoon, or I like to put a teaspoon of like vanilla extract in here, or you can do an almond extract, right, to give it a little bit of a taste, right? So you got that happening. Then you put 1 cup, or maybe 1/2 cup of water or almond milk. Again, you're bringing in the flavor into the pancake mix, okay? And then you're going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, okay? Because we want it to rise even more, okay? So you're going to mix that up real good. A bowl. You use a larger bowl for, you're feeding yourself or your family or whomever. Take a 1/2 cup right here. You're going to fill that all the way up a little bit. And it's okay. You're going to get your black skillet, or you can do a it's fine. And you can put, I've already sprayed some oil in here, just a little bit of oil, just to kind of, brown the pan in oil, right? But you just want to spray it. And then you're just going to put this here, and it's going to sizzle up, right? And so you're going to cook that for about 1 to 2 minutes, and you're going to be flipping that with your spatula on either side. And of course, you really can't hear it, but it's right here. And you're going to let those bubbles bubble up. And then you're going to get an amazing looking fluffy pancake like this. Real simple.
It looks so good. I'm really craving pancakes now.
Exactly. And so we're going to come on over here because we're going to stack them, okay? So we're stacking these pancakes, and we've already done that. All right. So we have about 4 here. And I'm going to add that one to make it 5. But I have my 4 stacked fluffy pancakes. These are all dairy-free. These are, like I said, all-purpose flour, almond flour. I got my sausage here because who can have pancakes without sausage? And you can choose any type of vegan sausage, or if you don't want to do the vegan sausage, you can do something like mushrooms or something like that. And then you want to add your fruit. So we have some berries right here. You can also do blueberries. We also have our strawberries right here because that's amazing. And then we have our butter right here. You want to spread that on all of these stacks. And then you can also do a syrup if you like. And of course, we always add our Onita foods and products. Our jam here, strawberry kiwi mint jam. And so we do that as well. And then you just top it all on, and voila, you have delicious pancakes.
Oh, I'm definitely making pancakes for dinner now. It has been confirmed. Well, as always, thank you so much for showing us another recipe. I'm going to let you go, though, so you can flip your other pancake before it burns. We'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after the break.